Alright, here's YouTube for you right here in the flesh, man. This shit look nice as hell too, boy. You got Netflix on here, bro. Man, this shit is so easy. It's not hard at all, man. Y'all stay tuned. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man, because I'm putting y'all on right now, bro. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, bro, to be a part of the LOC family, bro. 3, 2, 1. All right, what's up? What it do, YouTube? Life of Card back. And I want y'all to share this video right now before this video even get started. I need y'all to share this video right now. Let everybody know that Life of Card back and he back on YouTube. And we still blowing up the LOC family. I want y'all to be a part of it. I need everybody to subscribe right now. All right, what's up, man? What's going on, YouTube? Life of Card back with another video, man. God damn. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta get rough, man. But yeah. I'm motherfucking seeing if this thing work, man. This thing supposed to add YouTube and Netflix to your car, man. I hope this thing work. If it don't work, it's a lot more options out there, so I'll just send this back and buy another one. It don't matter. I'm gonna get y'all right though, man. I'm buying this first, so y'all won't have to buy it if it do work. I mean, if it don't work. But if it do, hey man, I'm gonna be dropping that link down there for sure. All right, finally got the box off. They had that thing on there good, man. They had the top on there good. But yep, this how it look right here. That's how that baby look. It's very small and very out the way, so it's easy for you to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, hide it away. So yeah, I hope this thing work, man. So you're gonna find a USB to plug this into, the one that syncs to your Apple Play. I mean your CarPlay. I'm talking about Apple Play. But yeah, oh shit. Let me get all this out of the way, y'all. Okay, boom. This is how you plug it up right there. All right. See, I read on the thing, it say when it's red, they mean that it's powering on. When it's blue, they mean it's good and ready to go. All right, guys. So listen, man, I had to let y'all know this real quick, bruh. Like, I'm thinking that the box not working and stuff, but it was working, but it was only working in this port right here. But you really want it in this port so you won't have to, so it can be out the way. But I'm wondering why it's not reading, because it wasn't working in that port for real. It was just popping up like the Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth wasn't popping up in here. But even when I plugged it up right here, it wouldn't pop up here. So it wasn't working at all for no parts. But I learned when I went in the thing and I pressed phone. When I went and pressed phone, right? And I went to parent, and now with the projection, this was off. That was off. Okay? So y'all got to make sure that's on. Make sure this is on. It wasn't popping up without that. So look, I'm going to plug this in, right? I'm going to plug this straight in, right? Boom. It's not popping up. It ain't popping up, right? But listen, soon as you enable this, because it's not going to be enabled, I guess, if you already ain't had it before. Like, if you just got a brand new Hellcat or something like that, because I never had it. So nobody else before me never had it, because obviously I had this car like from 0 miles. So it was brand new. All right, so listen. So boom, boom. As soon as you press that, it catch it, right? No copyrights. It catch it. Boom, it goes straight into the interface. When I click that shit, I got so happy. Like, this junk crazy, bro. And then it's going to tell you, make sure you don't operate while driving, You just press sure. I don't know. Okay, there it go. Sure. Boom. This shit really work. What the fuck? This shit really working? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right, I'm finna get everything set up with the Wi-Fi and all that, because they ain't got no Wi-Fi. So, yeah, we finna get that set up right now. Hold on. I'll be back, y'all. All right, I forgot to let y'all know that you got to come here. It's going to pop up on your phone. You got to connect the Bluetooth, connect. It's literally right there. That's the name of it right there. We're going to press allow. Fuck it. All right, yeah. But, man, let me finish setting up this Wi-Fi and stuff, y'all. All right, so this little booklet right here, it's telling me, look, if you got an Android, you're going to click this one. If you got an iPhone, Yeah, if you got an iPhone, you're gonna click this one. So that means it's literally right here. Yeah, so boom. Damn, my finger's shaking back. So look, boom. And then it's gonna try to sync. All right, look, it's looking for me. All right, boom, it got my phone. Hey man, I literally just connected the Wi-Fi from my hotspot on the phone, man. But guys, bro, look at this. Look. And it moves so swiftly, man. This shit is crazy. Bro, like, bro, I don't even know what to do, bro. I'm so happy, bro. See how fast YouTube load up for the first launch, man. It's loaded up, man. All right, man, we here, man. You know what I'm saying? All right, so look, the big thing is, all right. Oh, I can't go. All right. See the videos. Look, man, this is no speed up, guys. Like, it's really loading up everything. This is no speed up, guys. This is all the videos, man. Let's just click a video. Let's get into it. Bro, I can't believe this right now, bro. Bro, this is wild, bro. We lit, man. And then the big thing is, y'all, can you drive while watching this stuff, man? Okay, I thought it cut off on us, man. Hey, it was finna get something back, man. But yeah, man, I'm at the house right now, but look, I came out here to make this video for y'all, man. All right, look. Oh, what is it doing? All right, man, I'm back to trying it, man. I don't know what had happened, but like I said, we're putting this thing in drive right now. Yo, I'm driving, bro. I'm driving. Yo, this is crazy. Hey, man, this shit lit. I ain't gonna lie, boy. Y'all did y'all thing, boy. Woo. Look at your boy, man. The Redeye game, man, got YouTube and Netflix installed in this motherfucker, man. Stop playing. Look, man, your boy's in the Redeye on the big screen, bruh. Hey, man, y'all go fuck with that company, man. I'm putting the link right there, man. They deserve it, bro. Look at the Redeye, man. Come on, bro. Got Netflix and let me go Netflix for y'all, bro. And the thing about this, it say that you can mirror your phone on here too. I got Netflix installed on here, bro. Come on, man, get started, bro, with your login information. Stop playing, bro. Man, y'all gonna fuck with this company, bro. Okay, I'm trying to find the mirror screening for your phone, but bruh, this shit got MTV HD on here, live HD, all that, man. Bro, y'all go get this right now, bro. But I'm saying all this like I'm getting promoted for this, bro. I ain't getting, this is not a sponsor, y'all, just to let y'all know that, bro. This ain't no sponsor, man. I had bought this with my own money. I did not get this sent to me. They got free TV on here, all type of stuff. Silly me, almost forgot the other apps it come with, bro. It come with Disney Plus and Amazon Prime, Amazon Video, I meant. You know what I'm saying? Spotify too. Come on, bro. Look at the speed of this thing, man. It moves so wonderful, dog. And I think I found the thing like this. Like, y'all will get it, bro. Like, I think this it right here. Well, this Android. Yeah. So this is for Androids, and this is for iPhones, I'm guessing. Okay. Yeah, so, all right, hold on, y'all. So it's saying all I do is come here, bro. I was trying to figure it out this whole time, bro. Come here and click it and connect. Bro, this shit is wild. Bro, what the? Oh, it's over with. I just feel like this car was like meant for stars in the ceiling, bro. But yeah, but like I was saying, bro, I feel like this car was meant for stars in the ceiling, bro, and in the sunroof, because the remote that it comes with, it just fits so perfectly in this spot, bro. Like, come on, man, tell me that ain't a better fit, bro. What go there besides this? Nothing, bro. Hey, man, I forgot to show y'all, man. I got the red iPhone to match the motherfucking car, dog. Come on, man. You know I had to match the Redeye. You got wireless mirror screen on your phone, bro. His head straight.
I killed him with these comments.
And the Hellcat nigga on C-Cop. YouTube in full effect. Alright, so look. This is Netflix right here, working very functional, man. It move at a good speed. It's not slow at all. Got Rush Hour 3. Right here, Netflix.
Fresh produce is the best produce.
Fucking commercial. Alright, but look, man, this Rush Hour right here, man. I should have wiped the screen off for y'all, but man, y'all get the picture. We'll get the movie. And make sure y'all add me on Instagram, man. They seen all this first. You know what I'm saying? So you add me on Instagram, you'll see everything first. You'll see what I do every day, all that. So make sure y'all go ahead and add me on Instagram. Alright, here's YouTube for you right here in the flesh, man. You know what I'm saying? This shit look nice as hell too, boy. Shit's crazy, man. Watching Redeye videos in the Redeye, man. LLC family, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy, man. It connected my CarPlay wireless, bro. No cord at all, man. So y'all gotta think about that too. This thing comes with so many perks, like wireless CarPlay, YouTube, Netflix, and you can, bro, I ain't even mentioned to y'all, you can download your own apps. You know what I'm saying? I just ain't finna download nothing because I don't want it moving slow or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna leave it as it comes because I don't need nothing else on here. The stars in the ceiling, I forgot to tell y'all, look, I have a remote right here. I can control it. You know what I'm saying? Have it red if I want to. They got a lot of functions on here. But I also have an app on my cell phone. I also got an app on my cell phone. See, with the app on my cell phone, right? And it's gonna automatically go like to whatever the app on the cell phone say. You know what I'm saying? So when I went to the app on my phone, it obviously turned blue because blue was the last thing on here. But the app does way, way more than the remote. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? It does way more. But yeah, man, I'm happy, bro. Very. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Like and comment. Comment for sure, bro. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know what y'all think about this mod, man. This was a mod to the car because it did not come with it. This is my YouTube, Instagram right here. This is where I'm gonna talk to all my supporters and fans at, bro. Like, so y'all gotta go ahead and follow me right here. Like, I'm dead serious. Like, whoever on there right now, like, if they DM me, I respond. I'm responding to everybody DMs, like, comments, all that stuff. So y'all just let me know. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go follow me over there. Also, man, I forgot to tell y'all, look, soon I will be making a gaming channel, bro. Cause I'm a gamer, bro. Like, I do play games and stuff, but I only play games when, like, I'm bored at the house and stuff like that. So obviously I'm gonna be bored when I'm not doing YouTube during the nighttime. So check me out over there, man. I'm gonna be gaming on Twitch, and I'm gonna have the YouTube channel connected to it. Like, not this one, but I'm gonna make a separate gaming channel for YouTube. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the YouTube gaming channel, and Twitch is already up right now. So go follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna be over there. Get me to 200 followers on Twitch. I think I got like 5 already, just that fast. So get me to 200 on Twitch, and I'm gonna be going live. I'm gonna be screaming everything. Let me know what games y'all want me to play, everything. Just go ahead and follow me on Twitch and follow me on Instagram. I love y'all. Signing out, LOC family. All right, YouTube, man, that is it for this video. Let me know what y'all think about installing YouTube and Netflix in on here. Let me know how y'all think it move, everything. Yeah, man, I'm satisfied, bro. I'm satisfied. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's in here, it's in here. And let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see next, and I will be doing y'all. Stop playing. Hey man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share my shit, man.